Are you interested in getting a credit card, but you have poor credit? In today's video, I'm going to give you guys some insight on some credit cards that you can possibly get approved for, even though you have bad credit. Cue the video. Hi guys, Credit Coach Q here, and in today's video I have some special thoughts. But before I get to the video, please remember to like and subscribe to the channel so you can get credit tips and tricks on how you can put your credit repair experience into your own hands. Guys, today we're talking about credit cards. So for the most part on this channel, we have been talking about credit repair, and today we're going to talk about credit building. I want to let you guys know that you guys can get approved for credit cards if you have poor credit. These credit cards are literally designed to help you guys with poor credit, help you guys get better approval odds when it comes to the application. So I have a few list of cards that I think that anybody can qualify for. Now, some of the credit cards, I don't want to say that because some of the credit cards literally do have criteria involved when it comes to the application process and also getting approved, but I have listed it in order. So let's go from the credit cards that's the easiest to get approved from all the way to the ones that's literally the hardest to get approved from in this order. But remember, all of these cards are entry-level cards and they are designed for poor credit situations. Now, the first card that I'm going to give you guys is the credit builder's card. It's literally in the title for the description of what the card is used for. So this card has, they do report to all three of the bureaus. They do have an annual fee of $29. And they do have a deposit of $200. Now remember guys, credit builder's card do give you an automatic approval. They do not check credit when it comes to the approval. All you have to do is be a US citizen, be 18 years of older, and have the minimum security deposit of $200. Now guys, this is not a card, in my opinion, to have on your report for long periods of time. This is a card where you cannot get approved for literally anything and you need help to start the credit building process. You need to start building credit and you need to start at a very entry level. Now they do have, like I said, a $29 annual fee, and they do not have an option where you can unsecure the line of credit. Meaning, unsecure the line of credit means basically that the line over an amount of time will basically unlock the deposit that you originally put down to get the credit, and that deposit comes back to you and is now no longer being considered a secure line of credit. Now, credit builder card is like I said, is a good entry level card, but I will advise you guys probably to take it off after 6 to 9 months. Now, number two, OpenSky. OpenSky is another credit card company that do not worry about approvals. Like I said, only thing that you need to worry about for the approval is being 18 years of older and being a US citizen and having the minimum required deposit. The deposit can range between $200, I believe, to $2,000. It really just depends on your comfortability on the amount of what you want willing to invest when it comes to that deposit. They have a $35 annual fee. The minimum, like I said, the minimum deposit is $200. And there is no credit check. This card do not have any perks, no cash back or anything like that, and also they don't allow you to unsecure the debt at all at any period of time. So again guys, this is probably a credit card that you will use for an entry level. Once you get at least 5 accounts added to your account, you can possibly think about removing the OpenSky or the credit builder card because they don't have a benefit past a certain point, right? You want to keep building and keep building and keep building, and these cards is good to start the process, but at a certain point you will hit a wall with them, and you know, you can be advised to remove the credit card off your credit report or leave it on. But also remember, taking off aged accounts can possibly bring your score down. Now, the next card, number 3, is possibly one of my favorites. It is the Capital One Secure MasterCard. Capital One is one of the best businesses to go into, especially in the entry level. I'm gonna tell you why. Once you have a relationship with Capital One, the credit score that you personally have at any point of time can no longer be the only benefit when it comes to getting approved for funding. Capital One will monitor your own payment history with their credit cards or any type of loans that you have with them, and they would willingly give you more funding with other industries like an auto loan or a business loan or et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. So this is why I love the Capital One Secure Card, even though that it is an entry card and it does have limitations as well. But like I said, you have a lot of room to grow within the institution because they have a lot of sources of funding for different industries. And at a certain point, they will send you promotional offers of $25,000 for an auto loan just because they have been monitoring your payment history and believe that you can afford the loan. And it's just a great product to have. The Capital One Secure MasterCard does have an annual fee. And they also have a non-refundable security deposit of $50 minimum up to $200. After 5 months, you do have a possibility of having your account reviewed by the review board over at Capital One, where they can possibly unsecure the card or possibly raise the limit or give you a more updated credit card with more perks. They do not have any cash reward on this credit card as well. Now, Capital One do have a little bit more stringent guidelines when it comes to their approval process. They don't always give you automatic approvals, despite of like the other 2 credit cards that we previously talked about, the Credit Builders Card and also the OpenSky. Capital One do review your credit report, and if you have any bankruptcies on the report, you automatically disqualify for the Capital One Secure Card, from what I've been told. So yes, be understanding that the Capital One Secure Card does not always give you automatic approvals. Now, the last but not least, and possibly my favorite credit card for building credit with bad credit, is the Discover It Secure Card. The Discover It Secure Card is one of the best secure cards that you can possibly get at any entry level. It is, like I said from the beginning, it is designed for clients or customers with bad credit or poor credit scores, but they do have a certain criteria that they follow for the application process for you to get approved. The minimum deposit for the secure card is $200 through $2,500. Like I said, it is great for building credit. They do give cash back rewards. I believe they have some rewards for gas and restaurants. And also they give you an 8-month review time where, like I said, with the Capital One, after 8 months, they will review your account. And if your account has been satisfactory to them, they will unsecure the credit card and also refund you your entire deposit. And also, guys, one of the things that I love about the Discover It secure card is it does not have any annual fees. It has no annual fees, guys. So once you get the card, all you basically have to do is keep your utilization down, and also make sure that you make your payment history. Now, by speaking of that, guys, I do want to make an add-on that When it comes to these credit cards, I want to give you guys a little system to follow when it comes to applying for credit cards. You do not want to apply for any credit cards no more than 2 to 3 times per month. So if you hit a wall where or put in position to apply for more credit than that, 9 times out of 10 you're going to get it not approved for the credit off the bat, because once you apply a certain amount of times or run your credit a certain amount of times per month, the system will flag you as a person that's basically desperate for credit, and they will automatically not approve you for any type of credit, no matter the situation. So remember, guys, do not apply for anything no more than 2 to 3 times per month. Also, inquiries can definitely devastate your credit report, especially if you get a lot of them. So if you're not getting approved for the first 2 credit cards that we discussed, 9 times out of 10 it's a bigger issue on your profile that needs to be adjusted or needs to be handled in terms of credit repair before you can go into the credit building program. So make sure that you do not bulk up on inquiries on your credit report. Remember, every inquiry can add 2 to 3 points take away 2 to 3 points away from your total credit scores. So remember, every time you apply for one of these credit cards, you are going to get an inquiry that can possibly bring your score down 2 to 3 points. Now, also with payment history, make sure that you are paying these credit cards on time. Actually pay them early if you can. And I will want you guys to spend probably $7 for every $100 that you have. That's a 7% utilization. Now, some professionals will tell you to spend 30% or 50%, but I'm telling you to spend 7%, because basically 30% is when the credit doesn't affect you. Now, 7% will actually give you score increases every month if you stay below the 10% ratio for utilization. So for every $7 that you have or spend on the credit, every $100 that you have, spend 7. That's 7% utilization. So every $100 that you have available on the credit, only spend $7, and I promise you will see a score increase. Guys, if any of this information has helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel so you can get credit tips and tricks on how you can put your credit repair experience in your own hands. Guys, again, remember that we have an amazing credit repair software where you can remove any and every derogatory marks that can possibly be on your credit report in the flick of a switch. Guys, you can do this in the comfort of your own homes. You can teach this information to your kids. Guys, our software is literally the best in the business, and guys, is literally $1 to try. So guys, if you guys are interested in the credit repair experience and not wanting to spend a lot of money guessing and wishing for a credit repair company to help and save you from the credit repair experience, if you're interested in learning how to get this software yourself and get a demo, please comment in the comments below and let us know that you're interested in the demo, and we will link the demo below. So again, Credit Builder's Card, OpenSky, Capital One Secure Card, and the Discover It Secure Card. Guys, if you get all 4 of these cards, you will be able to go into another level of funding and another level when it comes to your credit building journey. Guys, if you found any of this information helpful, please do me a favor and like and subscribe to the channel so you can get more information like this in the future. Guys, until next time, please take care of your credit and take care of you. Bye.